Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to my travel diaries. Today I am in Guwahati and I'm just in my Airbnb waiting for my breakfast. Until then, I'll tell you about what I'm doing today. So, I'm going to Ma Kamakhya temple today in the morning. This is a very famous temple in Guwahati. In fact, there were some people that I met in Tawang, a group of, you know, old people traveling together, and they recommended this temple to me. It is very famous temple. There are people all over the world who travel to Guwahati to just visit this temple. So I'm going to go to this temple, pray, and then we're going to head to our resort in Guwahati. Done with my breakfast and now I'm waiting for my Uber to take me to the temple. Here you also get the option of Uber Moto, which is the bike ride. So I booked that and let's see how it is. To the temple. Entrance right now, and as you can see there is a lot of queue for the general entrance. My Airbnb host yesterday spoke to the main pandit over here who does the puja to get me a special entry. So I generally don't like doing this, but then I read online that this is an official thing where they take 500 rupees for special entry, and all the proceeds for this goes to the building foundation and building new buildings. So it's all good. I'm just waiting for the main pandit to come over here. I've given him a call, and then hopefully we can go inside and expedite the process. So I'm at the temple now. I brought some prasad and I'm going to go and visit the temple. So guys, they've given me special entry. And look at this, these people must be waiting in queue for such a long time. I just got it. And the pandit is going to meet me inside the temple. But inside the temple there is no photography allowed. So this is going to be my last shot. And after that, I'll do the darshan and come back. So guys, I just completed the darshan. It was amazing. The significance of this, as they say, is when Sati's life went away and Shiv did his tandav, Sati's genitals were dropped here. So we went inside a cave. There was water. We put water on the forehead. Then there was, another place with a murti. So we did darshan over there. And it was a beautiful experience. Such a lovely place. So guys, I have completed the Mandir Darshan. I went back to my Airbnb, picked up my luggage, and now I'm heading to the resort. Now this resort is a little out of the city limits. It's close to the airport. So I booked an Uber Intercity to take me there. I've reached my resort, and this is a resort which is around 20 minutes away from the airport. It's called Bougainville Resort. And the reason that I booked this resort is because I've sort of been roughing it for the past few days, traveling 15 hours, doing this, doing that. I wanted to do everything. So I'm just going to relax over here and enjoy the resort now. I'll give you a quick room tour. So this is the swimming pool. This is my cottage. Just entering the cottage. This is my room. And that's the bathroom with the bathtub. So I'm just going to chill in the bathtub for some time. There is also a sit-out area outside over here with a view to the pool. So that's my room. Guys, the vibe over here is something different. You don't feel like you're in the city. It's a little farther away from Guwahati, like an adjoining village to Guwahati. And the nature and trees and everything, it's so beautiful. There are multiple cottages to rent over here. It's another beautiful day in Guwahati, and today is my last day of my journey. I take my flight out to Mumbai in the evening today. So I'm again at this beautiful resort and just exploring the resort on foot. So guys, I think this is the reason why the resort is called Bougainville, because it has an entrance which is laced with a canopy of bougainville flowers. So guys, finally I am going home from this resort. I'll take a cab to the airport and then I'll fly out to Mumbai. One of the things that happens is on your vacation, you're like first 1 week you're enjoying and everything, and after that you start missing home so much. I am so glad to go home now. Immediately, this will allow other customers to pass. So I've landed in Mumbai. I'm at the airport currently. I'm going back home. Home is where the heart is. Guys, thank you so much for being part of this journey. Your comments, likes, messages on WhatsApp have really encouraged me. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe so that you don't miss an update on another adventure of mine. And thank you so much. Lovelies, have a beautiful day.